Hi. Today we're at Will It Slime.
Yes.
Okay.
So we found these recipes. You can't see that. We found these recipes.
And we don't have glue because of
the fail. But we're gonna make more. So it says So it says 2 tablespoons of shampoo. Okay.
We need food color. Oh wait, we have food coloring. Never mind.
Yeah, so
what slime is this?
It's the shampoo one.
What bead thing should we do?
We can do.
Let's do the purple one.
Okay, we'll do the purple one.
Okay. Wait, we're gonna double this recipe, so there's more.
Yeah. So I'm doing 2 tablespoons. So should I do 4?
4, because that's double.
Okay.
It smells so good.
It does. So there's 2, 4. So there's our 4 tablespoons. This is the shampoo we're using, by the way.
Octopus one.
It's octopus. Because in case you want to like recreate this step by step, which
I don't recommend, but we need
2 tablespoons of foam shaving cream.
Technically 4.
Yeah.
So wait, put it in here. Oh wait, here, I'll try to wash it.
Yeah, rinse it out.
Shampoo.
So we don't have foam shaving cream, but we have a gel. So we're gonna put it in here and mix it up, and then scoop it out of there.
Okay.
We have this tiny mixer. So scoop like a tablespoon out. So it says 1 tablespoon, so we need 2 tablespoons, which is TPS. So
where'd the spatula go?
How do you open this?
Dude, I don't know. It's so confusing. It's like, ow! It's like gonna peel my fingernail off. Just wait, hang on. I think I figured out how. I got it.
Great.
Oh, there it is. Oh, the wood's wet, slimy.
Yeah.
But they were making slime because it's slimy.
Rinse this off and mix it. We have this. Oh yeah, we do have that. Okay, mix.
Smells really good.
Oh, that does smell really good.
We recommend this soap if you ever do this because it smells.
I forgot to show everything else. This is the gel shaving foam.
I mean, you can also use the foam.
Yeah, which would probably be better, but it's working still.
Okay, I think this is mixed enough because it's slime consistency. So here's the second slime of the Willy slime thing.
Yeah.
The other one's in the freezer right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Set a timer. So we have this.
We want to double it again.
Thing, and we want to double it again. So we need 2 tablespoons body wash, which this is a tablespoon. 4 of these.
Wait,
again.
no, not that. This.
Oh, this body wash instead?
Because it's thicker.
Okay. We'll do this one then. Here it is.
Dove. Oh, Dove smells so bad. You need help? Do you want me to squeeze that in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do. Okay.
Okay. So wash that off.
Yeah.
So here's our corn starch that we're using.
This is gonna be a blue slime. The last slime we're making is put this thing in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
1.
Why is that face acting so loud? Oh my god.
2.
I know, right? Yep.
Great.
Okay.
Okay, so now we get to, it's at a tiny bit of water.
So maybe put oh my god.
Yeah, I know. We're going to a sushi place for lunch.
It's snowing.
Sushi and ramen. Yeah. Then we get sushi and ramen.
Okay.
Whatever.
Yay. Pain's like a 0. real one.
Slay.
So, alright, love you.
Like I want to. It smells really strong. Like I want to touch it, but I don't want to touch it.
Alright,
It's
thank you.
Wait, that's not what slime
It
feels like.
Feels like soap, except it's blue.
Except it's blue.
I think my hands are like forever stained blue. Yeah. Is it like not slimifying? Like a couple maybe.
No, not yet. It's not beating.
I can't hear you.
No. Yeah, it's like frosting.
It's not slime. It's just not.
This did not slime.
Alright.
I want to touch it. I want to like take some. It's like frosting.
Yeah.
And you want a piece of butter toast?
I shouldn't have squished
No.
it.
No?
It's
No,
like
I'm good. Thank you.
it's like really heavy.
Why is it heavy?
High five.
No.
I'm blue now. I'm mega mind proof. This, I kind of have faith in this.
It like kind of looks like it would.
Exactly.
We'll take it down after we finish this one.
I rate this 2 out of 1. 2 out of 3. 2 out of 10. Because it was so close to sliming.
But it didn't, and it let me down. Go me.
Faith for this one. Also, we introduced chairs. Now you can see the counter. Ooh. Is it like
No?
Chair 1 and 2.
Feel it first.
Okay,
It like almost?
it?
This is back here. If you're ready, I'm gonna put it back
Kinda.
there.
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
It's like, it has a lot of salt in it.
Yeah, I like feel the grains.
Can you taste it?
Taste it? No.
That was extremely close to my mouth. Okay, here's our third slime
Technically our fourth, I guess.
today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Today. But all of them have been in the field. So the recipe is toothpaste, 2 tablespoons, but we need to microwave it.
Oh wait, we don't have toothpaste.
Oh, go get it, and I'll get the bowl.
We have everything now. Turns out we didn't have a Tupperware either. How much do we need?
2 tablespoons.
We didn't wash this.
Oh my god. What do you think kids cost? Cavity removed. Protection, not remover.
Our slime will be protected
From kids.
from cavities.
That's a teaspoon, not the tablespoon. Tablespoon is the biggest one.
Okay. Wait, do we need a teaspoon or a tablespoon?
2 tablespoons.
Okay, we're
TSP.
not doubling this one. Cook the toothpaste.
So now we need 2 to 4 tablespoons of lotion.
Should we put like 3?
Yeah. 2 tablespoons.
Baby oil.
There's like thing.
Oh crap. Well, it just went everywhere, so.
It's fine. 1,
Is that the ones you wanted?
2.
Okay, we have to like stir now.
No, yeah. Stir.
Where's all the spatulas? Okay. Oh, it's. I don't know if you can see that. Okay.
Like,
A little bit green.
yeah. So you can stir. I'll just add 1 drop.
Mario. Okay.
So here's, is it slime? Nope. Here it is.
Whoa, it's so good. Once again,
I mean,
frosting.
yeah, just like. Hey guys, so we're on to our last and 5th slime. We haven't put anything in the bowl yet.
Technically, the 4th slime of the video.
Yeah. But like, yeah, there's 3 over there.
There's one in the chat.
There's one in the trash from another video. And Here it is.
I think that says good and open.
Here it is. This is like a more. It's gonna be the same recipe as this one, but with a different toothpaste. Because we thought maybe that was the reason it didn't work. So we need 2 of these.
Why was it so high up? Okay, we'll stir it this time. It's in the microwave and not touch it.
You told me to touch it. I'm like, okay, and I burnt myself and you didn't even care. You're like, oh, that's not good. How do we get it off? I'm like, my finger? No, not your finger. Like, rinse this. I'm gonna put it on your lap if you don't rinse. Okay.
Microwave it.
Yeah.
Okay, well, be back when we microwave.
So, after this is 2.
It's like...
It like exploded. So I put it in there for 10 seconds and literally nothing happened. So I mixed it with a toothpick. Like I just stirred it around and put it in there for 10 more seconds and it exploded. So all this is toothpaste. So don't put toothpaste in the microwave.
Lotion. Is this a tablespoon? Is this what we did?
Tablespoon is the biggest one. Turning.
But not turning is not its fault. It's the articulation of your wrist.
We'll just get a half teaspoon.
Oh, okay.
So 3 teaspoons makes a tablespoon, so we'll do 3 of these.
It does? Oh, I don't think I knew that.
I can tell. You're like, it does? You have to press down. It's child locked. Dude.
It was like, I tried making an aesthetic video on TikTok and the lotion's like, dude! Oh my god.
2.
This is hard to control.
No, that's not gonna go in. Look.
Oh. Okay, I think there's enough in there. We've tried like 4 blue ones.
Okay, so we're only gonna add 1 dash of red.
Stop dying. Okay. Okay, the beads are helping with good luck. Okay, so now we have this.
This is killing me.
It's really warm. It's like from the microwave.
Oh.
Okay.
This is all of them we made in this video.
Now we're rating. So we're gonna do slime 1 first. So looks, it has colorful beads and it's
Oh, it's dripping.
like melting.
It's melting.
I'm gonna rate it like a 3. It's not that fun to look at.
Yeah, it's actually.
But we didn't add food dye, so.
Yeah, it's pretty boring, really.
Okay.
So
Just like-
I didn't rate it.
That's
So for the looks, I'll give it like a 4 because it's kind of nice, but it's very boring. So next is texture. Oh, this is the salt grain one. So it's like it has salt grains and it's like
whipped cream, but like it's
but
not
melted.
whipped.
It's cream
It's unwhipped whipped cream.
with salt in it.
Literally 2.
Okay, smell. It
Oh,
doesn't
it actually smells
bad.
really good.
I like. Okay, wait. Texture 1
like 1 or 2.
and
Smell.
Smell
is a 7. This smells really good.
Yeah, I like it. And then is it slime?
No. Did it ruin a Tupperware? Yes.
Yeah. So this is the second slime we made. It was the cornstarch and what else did we put in this?
So, like body wash or whatever.
Oh yeah.
I like the looks. It's really pretty.
I actually really like it. Like, there's only beads in like one corner.
But
Like,
it's okay.
I really like the color and stuff.
I want to say 6.
I'll say 5. Because it's like, no, yeah, 6.
Okay.
You're right. Okay, so texture.
It's like The beads make it feel cool, but
I kind of like that.
it's really sticky. It's
I kind of like that.
frosting.
Yeah, it feels like just playing with frosting. It was like hardened on top from the cornstarch, I think. I'm giving it a 5.
I'll give it a 3 because it's kind of fun to play with.
Okay, so like
We need to do
4.
smell.
Yeah. It just smells like Dove soap.
Yeah.
Like,
It wasn't the best though. Oh, okay. Did it slime?
Wait, what did you rate the smell?
3.
I'll rate it a
It's like a little person.
I'll rate it a 4. So, did it slime? No.
No, definitely not.
Definitely not. Here's the poking ASMR.
It's so aesthetic. Slime 3. I like the color. This was the gel toothpaste one.
Yeah. I like the color too. I think the color is slightly more vibrant than this one for sure.
Because that's
like,
because we
clear it
added
up for comparison. Yeah.
because there was the toothpaste was already colored and then we added green.
So I really like the looks. I'm gonna give it a 7 again.
I'm gonna give it a 6.
Okay.
Okay.
So texture. It just feels like toothpaste.
It's like 2.
It's not. It's better than whatever that was. So I'm giving it a higher score than it.
I'm gonna give it actually a 4.
I'm gonna give it a 6 because it's like
Smell.
just smooth.
Smell. Definitely not.
It's just straight toothpaste.
But like with extra stuff. No.
2
2.
because like it's minty, which is cool, I guess.
Did this slime? No.
It was probably one of the closest so far. It was the
Okay.
closest so far.
I had hope for this one. It looks like frosting. I like the looks. I like the beads. I like the color.
I'm gonna give this one a 9. I really
Exactly.
like
I literally love the color.
Me too. Like,
Will the texture live up to the rating though? No. Okay.
I'm gonna guess it feels the same as the other one. So
It's the exact same. Except
it's warmer.
it's
though.
warmer though.
So I'll
This
give
texture-
it. I think I gave it a 6 before, so I'll give it a 6 again.
I'll give it a 4 again.
Okay.
Because it's the exact same. Wait, it didn't slime. It did not slime.
Did not slime. Oh, smell.
Smell?
Ugh, that one's the worst.
Ugh! I still smell it on my fingers and it isn't there.
It smells so bad.
0. Like,
Literally
worst smell.
0.
Didn't slime.
No, none of them did. This was a waste of everyone's time. Bye.
Okay. So, that was the Will It Slime Challenge. No glue.
And
In our own way.
Yeah.
No nothing.